All right, time to take a look at the PHIXERO 7-port USB 3.0 hub. Okay, so it's nice and lightweight. It is all plastic, which is going to be great if you ever want to put this in your backpack or anything. You don't have to worry about this thing bumping around, scratching into your other equipment. It is USB-A to USB-A, and it's also nice and thin, which I always like to see. It appears to have a little LED there on the top, so we can tell that the thing is actually working. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see how it works. And if we plug that in, we can see that it does light up a nice, pleasant blue. Which is something I always like to see because whenever we plug this in at night, we don't have to worry about that thing being super bright in our eyes. We also have a USB-C port there in the bottom, so if you need to supply power to these ports, we can do that. Now, I'm going to be just using this for data, so I'm going to just be using the USB-A port without the extra power. And it looks like it did pick it up right away, so that's good. So I'm going to run a quick speed test to see just how well it works. Okay, so it looks like we got no loss. So for the sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread, we got 428 read, 320 on the right. For the sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process, 1 thread, we got 371, 339. Random 4K, 32 process, 1 thread, 101, 68. And for the random 4K, 1 process, 1 thread, so this is worst case scenario, we got 13 and 20. So what that means to me is that we have 0 loss using this hub. So it is basically treating this as a simple pass-through. So that's awesome. This is a nice, compact, very well thought out USB hub.